Alright YouTube, on today's video we're going to be installing the strange axles, getting the brake lines installed. I already did a little bit of it, as you can see in the background. We'll also be basically getting all the axles in and putting the wheels on and drilling out the wheels for the 5/8 studs that I have in the axles. The axles that I have is they're the strange racing axles. They're 35 spline, and I also have a 35 spline spool that I'll be showing you guys. So I'm just going to take you through the process of installing the axles into the rear end. Then I'm going to be installing the rear end onto the frame, and then I'll also be putting all the wheels on so I can have the car as a rolling frame. Oh, and also before we get started in this video, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I got more content I'm going to be posting. So just to be up to date on the things that I have as far as putting together the car, just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know what's next. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, this is the strange axles. So I have, like I said, the 5/8 studs in the axle. I didn't get the axle with the access holes. We'll see if that was a bad thing or not. This here, oh, that's an empty box. I also have this box here. I have the plates, the retainer plates for the rear end. Open this box up. So as you can see here, I got the retainer plates. These didn't come with bolts, so I had to go buy some bolts, which are these here. These are 3/8 by 24, 1.25 inch bolts with locking nuts. And then this here is the spool. To fit the 35 spline axles. And then I also have the old rear end. And for now, I'm going to try to see if I can get the bearings from there off. The bearings from here. And I'll just place them on here because I'm not really putting together the rear end all the way. So I'm just going to do that. And I also have the races here that I'll use. All right, YouTube, as you can see, I got the blazer spindle. I got the hub. Also got the shim, because I'm not using a dust shield. And I also have new bolts for the back of the spindle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install that now so I can put them up on here. All right, YouTube, this is the blazer spindle and hub mounted up.